Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see benefits of early rising. You can present this speech in your morning assembly. So let's start. Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. Today I am here to speak about benefits of early rising. There is a famous saying, early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. This proverb tells us about the benefits of early rising. Early rising is indeed a very good habit. There are many benefits of early rising. By getting up early, we can save a lot of time which helps in better time management. Rising early gives us more time for exercise, meditation, and yoga. It helps us to remain fit and healthy. Also, it will keep the person calm, happy, and energetic throughout the day. One who rises early is able to go to bed early and has a more sound and peaceful sleep. Also, an early riser can see the early morning beauty of nature because in the morning, nature is at its best. The birds sing, the air is fresh, and there is peace all around. All these refresh the mind and helps us to stay fresh and keeps us motivated. Early rising has several positive impacts on the human body. That is the reason why it is considered to be a great habit and recommended by every successful person to get up early and start with so much productivity. Thank you. That's all for today. Hope you all like this video. Speech for morning assembly. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more videos and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.